Fact: the fastest recorded speed for a human sneeze is about 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour. This surprising velocity is caused by the forceful expulsion of air and particles from the nose and mouth during a sneeze. The body's natural reflex triggers a rapid contraction of muscles to clear irritants from the nasal passages. Interestingly, the speed of a sneeze can vary depending on factors such as the force of the irritant and individual physiology, but the record-breaking speed highlights how powerful and rapid this bodily function can be. Subscribe for more freshly packaged facts.